How to verify Upwork account. Open the Upwork application on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Create the account for yourself. Once you create the account, you'll be led to verify email interface. You'll have to verify your email in order to continue. A verification email will be sent to your email address. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll receive the email from Upwork. Tap on that particular email. If you do not find this email address over here, go back to Upwork application. Tap on this option Send again that you can see on the screen. After that, the email will again be sent to you. In this email, tap on this option Verify email that you can see on the screen. Your email has been verified. Now you can go ahead and create the profile for yourself. Get started, answer the questions, and your account will be created successfully after verifying the email. Like this, you can verify Upwork account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.